Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Fong tried to paper over the cracks in the flood control report. A. Repair everything thoroughly. B. Hide the real problems. C. Ask for more funding. D. Fire the team. The correct answer is letter B. Hide the real problems. Paper over the cracks means covering up issues instead of fixing them. Marty claims they're cleaning house, but nothing in the budget changed. A. Getting rid of corrupted practices. B. Hiring new engineers. C. Demanding overtime. D. Renovating the office. The correct answer is letter A. Getting rid of corrupted practices. Cleaning house means removing people or practices that cause problems. Z said Bong was passing the buck on the missing flood control funds. A. Taking responsibility. B. Blaming someone else. C. Asking for receipts. D. Requesting an audit. The correct answer is letter B. Blaming someone else. Passing the buck means avoiding responsibility and placing blame elsewhere. The committee thinks Marty is trying to whitewash the flawed project. A. Cancel it immediately. B. Make the failures look harmless. C. Transfer it to another city. D. Ask for public feedback. The correct answer is letter B. Make the failures look harmless. Whitewash means covering up wrongdoing or making it appear innocent. Bong warned Z not to rock the boat after she questioned the budget gaps. A. Maintain peace. B. Avoid causing trouble. C. Approve everything. D. Speed up construction. The correct answer is letter B. Avoid causing trouble. Rock the boat means disrupting the status quo or causing conflict. Marty tried to change the narrative by blaming unexpected rain, not the misallocated funds. A. Present a new storyline. B. Admit wrongdoing. C. Make a formal apology. D. Replace the engineers. The correct answer is letter A. Present a new storyline. Change the narrative means shifting public attention away from your mistakes. Z could tell someone was trying to pull the wool over her eyes during the audit. A. Confuse her with data. B. Hide the truth. C. Show transparency. D. Ask for her help. The correct answer is letter B. Hide the truth. Pull the wool over someone's eyes means deceiving someone on purpose. The officials hoped the issue would blow over after a week. A. Disappear without consequences. B. Get worse. C. Reach the media. D. Result in resignations. The correct answer is letter A. Disappear without consequences. Blow over means a problem fading away without lasting damage. Fong said the missing millions were just a clerical error, but that didn't hold water. A. Sound convincing. B. Sound emotional. C. Sound technically correct. D. Sound humorous. The correct answer is letter A. Sound convincing. If something doesn't hold water, it isn't logically strong or believable. When audits began, Marty tried to cover his tracks. A. Reveal everything. B. Hide evidence of wrongdoing. C. Apologize publicly. D. Ask for extra funds. The correct answer is letter B. Hide evidence of wrongdoing. Cover your tracks means hiding actions that might make you look guilty. Did you get 10 out of 10?